We've got a new arrival, and it's a 2024 BMW X7 40i, beautiful black sapphire on the outside. We have Tartufo merino leather on the inside. And let me give you guys a quick walk around of this beautiful, all maxed out spec. So like I said, we have the black sapphire exterior, we have the M Sport package, we have Premium Enhanced, we have the M Sport Pro package, we have the Advanced Driver's Assistance package, we have everything. So last year we got the LCI, which is the split headlight design and the new update for the X7. This year going into 2024, not many things have changed, so I'm just gonna give you a quick walk around of this beautiful spec. Now at the front, you'll notice the black kidney grille. That's gonna be part of the M Sport Pro package. It has the matte black grille surround, the split headlights, and then at the bottom you have that big radar sensor for the Advanced Driver Assistance package. Now the car does, with the Advanced Driver Assistance package, be hands-free up to 130 kilometers per hour while you're on the highway. So it will take over gas, brake, radar sensor that car in front of you, and keep you centered in your lane. Now this vehicle also has the upgraded black wheels. These are 22 inches with the blue M Sport brakes behind it. All of the M Sport package adds in the high gloss black window surround and roof rails, and man, the X7 is a large SUV. Have the LCI taillights back here. This one does have the trailer tow hitch. Pop the trunk area and take a look in the back. Now we have all third rows up. Yeah, you don't have a ton of storage space back here for things, but if you need a little bit, you just go like this, click these buttons, this whole control panel over here, and the seats will fold down. Now say you want max cargo. I love it. There's a max cargo button over here. You just click that and it's going to move all the seats down. Just going to move that whole front row. You do have a small privacy cover here. And then underneath here, there is additional storage. Let's pop that down. There is additional storage deep down underneath there and another privacy cover. So you can actually put that privacy cover there and there if you're always having those back seats down, and then it'll come and it'll latch in here off to the side, and you can tuck that privacy cover down and away. And if you want all your seats to come back up, you just hit this max button over here for max seats. Now on the lower tailgate, there is one other button here, and that is the air suspension button. So you press that button, it's going to lower the air suspension all the way. So you're going to see the front has been dropping, and now the back is dropping. So it lowers that vehicle ride height, makes it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. Once you start driving, the ride height goes back up to where it normally needs to be at. Now in the back, you also have rear heated seats for the third row. Now I will notice that there is an option for the 5-zone climate control. When the X7 first came out, it was standard, but now it's an option. And there used to be a control there for this sunroof right here, but it's no longer there for the third row. And then when you want to close the trunk, just click that button at the top, and then it closes. Now coming into the back seats, start to get a good look on this Tartufo merino leather. On the door panel here, you have a couple control buttons. So this back one, this one right here is going to be the large sunroof in the center. Sorry about the focusing of the camera. The sun is affecting it quite a bit. And then this back button is for the secondary sunroof at the very back seats. And the two buttons ahead of that are for the rear sunshades. Now in the back seats, you also have control panels as well. This one will just fold the seat flat like the other one did. If you want to get into the back seat, click that button forward. Driver's seat's going to go forward. And then this seat, middle seat, goes forward. Now this is with the 7-seat option. There is an option for 6 seats with the captain chairs in the second row. And yeah, it gives you lots of room to get up and get into the back seats. Back seats have lots of room, decent amount of leg room. There is a cup holder over here on each side, and then a flap for a USB-C charger. Even the ambient lighting carries over to right here. And then this control panel here is going to be for these 2 seats here. So if you want to put that seat back up, press that button. When you're ready to put this seat back, you click that button to go back. and the seat will go back into position. Now, even the bench seats have their own controls for the seats. You can move it forward and backwards, and the backrest. There is a rear climate control zone for the second row, as well as heated seats. One thing I did notice from 23 to 24 is comfort door access is not on the back door. It's on the front doors, like it should be, but it's not on the back for some reason. Moving into the front, you can see more of the Tartufo Merino leather. You have some more controls here. I believe that's for the third row. Oh no, so that's both of the rear sunshades at the same time. Your seat adjustments for the driver's seat. Very comfortable, heated, and ventilated seat. With the M Sport, you have the M Sport pedals, M Sport door sills, the M Sport steering wheel, and of course we have the big, massive curved display screen with iDrive 8. Now, one thing I love is the iDrive 8 ambient lighting colors, but when you're in Sport or Eco, you don't actually get to choose your colors anymore. You can only choose them while you're in comfort mode. And there is a lot of different colors to choose from here. Love the X7 and the dashboard changes with the ambient lighting. Large wood trim also carries down here. Glass application shifter. So we got drive, reverse, half click for neutral, park keys here, electronic parking brake, auto hold, Sport, Comfort, Eco buttons, your engine start stop, proximity sensors, and your traction control. This one does have the 360 parking camera. It seems like they've removed the extra button you used to get with the 360 parking camera. There used to be a button here which you could activate for the front camera if you're solely pulling out of places. But I think now with this one you have content and you have augmented reality that gives you your front camera at all times. You don't really need that button anymore. You can also customize the layout and the head-up display. Give you guys a quick look at iDrive 8. It's the main menu. We have tiles that go along. You can move those around. This one right here is like your sub-menus, vehicle apps, all apps, infotainment apps. You can configure these to move these around like that. You can go through and figure out whichever ones you need to go into. Climate menu, it's right at the bottom here. And there you have your climate menu. Little less buttons down here, Shy-Tech, your vents. This is open, closed, and then moving them around. Then yeah, we really only have volume, songs next or back, hazards, and your defrost. Down here there is heat and cool cup holders and a wireless device charging tray, USB port, and in the center console here, you have one USB-C port as well. At the top here is your sunroof control. So you can open that up. You see all those little white dots? Those are LED lights. So whatever your ambient lighting is, it'll be in the sunroof as well. That's all I got for this quick look at this new arrival. Now this unit is for sale. So if you guys are in the Toronto marketplace, you want to purchase this or any other BMW, feel free to reach out to me on my email down below. I'll help you guys out. All right, thank you guys for watching this video on the 2024 X7. Hope you guys appreciate this content. If you did, please help me out with YouTube's algorithm. Smash a like button, drop a comment below about what you think about this vehicle, and subscribe to my channel for future BMW content.